In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a neon glow effect to your texts in After Effects. So the first thing for us to do is to go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Color Control effect and add it to our layer. This effect is going to allow us to quickly change the color of our text in case we want to. Now go back to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the drop shadow and apply it to your text. Now we're going to duplicate the drop shadow many times, so before we do that, hit Alt on the keyboard and click on the stopwatch of the shadow color, and then go down here and drag the pick whip towards the color control, and now the drop shadow is linked to the color control effect, and you will see why we did that later in the video. So for now, increase the opacity of the drop shadow to 100%, decrease the distance to 0, and set the softness to 10. Now select the drop shadow with your cursor and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it, and for this duplicate set the softness to 50, duplicate again, set the softness to 100, duplicate again, set the softness to 250, duplicate again, set the softness to 1000, and then for the final duplicate, we're going to set the softness to 2000 and decrease the opacity a little bit, so we get that subtle outer edge glow added to our text. Now the reason we added the color control effect and linked it to the drop shadow is, let's say we want to change the color of our text quickly without too much hassle. You can just go to the color setting, set it to blue for example, and bam! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to watch this next tutorial and maybe check out my store for awesome presets.